everybody, and welcome to another very viral tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how can you post Instagram post in laptop or PC. So before we begin, please support us by clicking that subscribe button and turning on those bell notification. So let's get started. So I'm going to first of all in Instagram, and then in Instagram I'll log in my account. I've already logged in. So to post here in Instagram, I will go in my profile, and then I will click here, right click, and go on inspect. I will inspect, and then you can see here console, or you can see here toggle device toolbar. I'll click here. I have clicked here, and again I will click here twice, and then I will refresh this site. Now you can see here plus sign here. So I will cancel this one, and then I will add plus, and then I can post anything. Suppose I'll post this one picture, then okay, sorry, I'll add here and post into here. Then you can see you can post. I want to post this, then I will click here next, and then after I will write any caption and I will share it. Now in my profile I have shared. You can see here my profile which I have shared just now. You can see in this way, you can share Instagram post in this way. So I hope this video helps you a lot. So this has been a very viral video tutorial. Please like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching this video.